Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to clean your glasses. Now you might be thinking, I don't need to watch this because I don't wear glasses because my vision is perfect and I'm so handsome and cool and perfect. Well, shut up for a second and hear me out. Knowing how to clean your glasses can be helpful even if you don't wear them yourself. Maybe someday you'll have a friend, and maybe that friend will have glasses and that friend will be stupid and won't know how to clean them. You'll look like a buff, strong hero if you're able to clean his stupid glasses for him. Anyway, to clean your glasses, you'll need to use scalding hot water and soap. I prefer pumice-based soap to really get into the lens's pores and exfoliate all the terrible things you've seen out of the glass. You probably don't know this, but a little bit of everything you see gets stuck to your glasses, and if you're like me, you see countless unspeakable acts, many carried out by your own hands, every single day. It's important to wash those terrible images off of your glasses every now and then. If you don't, you'll end up with glasses so caked with filth and crime that you'll look like you fell face first into a portable toilet and got a bunch of shit in your mouth and eyes, and you already sort of look like that, so let's not make it any worse than it already is, okay?